Welcome to part 7 maybe. This is the end for a while. It's not gonna be painted for probably months, so it's just whatever I get done now. No, I forgot to film an introduction, so I just took all the pins off, but I'm about to put a video in of me doing that. Alright, now that we got all the pins out, it's not bad. Now, this might still be a little bit too deep. We might drill a hole here and use a different kind of slide hammer. Just pull it out from there. Maybe one like right in the middle. Maybe already where that hole is. I'm not quite sure yet, but most of this turned out pretty well. We're now going to drill a hole somewhere up here so that this can align properly and we can put a plastic clip in it. Okay, give me 2 more. Push up against this. Okay. Basically, the high beam socket on this side is still good, but the one on this side broke, along with the parking light switch. I don't have the socket for that either, so parking light not plugged in, only on this side, and the power steering leak continues. To replace this busted socket, I found an OEM one on eBay. Love looking for things and none of them are accurate except this one. Yay. Before I go really any further into this will probably be the last part for quite a while. Because once I go to college, I'm only here for like one-off weekends, which isn't really enough time to do as much as I want to do. Like, I can't paint it then. Might be able to bond with a quarter panel. I'll probably make a video about that, but I just won't really have all the time I've had now, since I'm technically unemployed and, not in school. And both of those end next week. Then I'll be in a job and in school. So, it'll be a while. Anyways, it's time to grind off all these little heads that were left over from the pins. Honestly, I'd say that we got most of that out. That looks pretty flat from all angles. Cool. Now just going over this with a straight edge to make sure that none of these spots stick up at all. Alright. Still going. Cool. We're all good. And now it is time to paint. I've just masked everything off. We're gonna use etching primer. Well, here's the first coat. I can see it wasn't perfect, but with Bondo it should be okay. The only thing I'm worried about is this down here. I still think that's a bit too deep, but it came out pretty well, to be honest. Now that it's dry, this is what it looks like. It's honestly, it's pretty close. It's not there yet, but it's pretty close. Alright, well, taking all the tape off, it's pretty flat, to be honest. Just a little bit down in here. But that's going to be all for part 7. And honestly, probably the last you're going to see this car for a while. I don't have any time left. I'm leaving tomorrow. So I think I did a good job for the time that I had. But I'll finish it up next time I'm home for an extended period. And also, I just invited my buddy over to the channel, so we're going to have Civic content that he's going to make. I might do something with the Camry. Who knows? But yeah, it's going to be all. See ya.